More massive news. Jasmy fam, Jasmy knots. We have a huge news account, crypto account, FamEX Global with around 120,000 followers. Smart trading for easy gains. Experience the global frontier of derivative trading with cross-platform tools, showing recognition to Jasmy. What is Jasmy? Bridging IoT devices and decentralized protocol. It's a game changer in data exchange, founded by ex-Sony leaders, which is one of the main reasons I'm bullish on the project, a team with experience. Jasmy aims to democratize data, putting control and ownership in your hands. They have a nice graphic right here, and they also have an article with their full research on Jasmy Coin. And right here we have a full article from FamEX, which is a centralized exchange that does its own research, similar to how Binance has their Binance research page, right? And they give highlights to projects with a ton of potential. They have an article right here for Jasmy as well. FamEX research focuses on digital asset markets and provides expert level analysis with the objective and fair insights for users globally. Jasmy token price and latest live chart. What is Jasmy Coin? Jasmy Coin is an ambitious venture initiated by the IoT provider Jasmy Corporation in Tokyo, Japan, designed to harmonize the dynamic digital environment of IoT devices with robust foundations of decentralized protocols. The team, including Kunitake Ando, Kazumasa Sato, Masanobu Yoshida, and Hiroshi Harada, work to develop an infrastructure that democratizes data, ensuring data protection and ownership. Founded by several former Sony executives, they wish to create a world where mechanical and digital elements, from computers and cars to smartphones, can communicate data effortlessly and securely. This is the heart of the Jasmy vision. Their mission goes beyond merely establishing a platform that bridges service providers and data users. It aims to restore the sovereignty of individual data by creating a potent infrastructure where personal information is not just protected but owned by the user. Jasmy employs IoT technology in synergy with blockchain, a cryptographic technology known for its impenetrable security. How does Jasmy Coin work? Jasmy platform breaks away from the traditional approach of data management and instead pioneers a decentralized workflow system using the interplanetary file system, a decentralized storage system that ensures data and security and integrity. Jasmy operates by securely storing data in a personal data storage system with identification verification, security knowledge communicator, Jasmy's core service. This provides the data locker and an ID. Every interaction on the platform generates data stored securely in the PDL, personal data locker. For any organization or company, they can have access to the data. They must have permission from the user, which is, again, such a bullish use case when we're talking about TikTok, social media, all of these platforms that are benefiting Google, Amazon, Alphabet. They're benefiting off of our data. It's time we take control of that and get it back into our hands and start earning from our data, man. For any organization, Jasmy Smart Guardian Service user SG links users' ID information to the device, creating an environment where only the device's registered owners can make or use it. Jasmy Coin market price in tokenomics, we know 50 billion coins is the cap. We recently had some moves up. Why do you invest in Jasmy? The strategic focus of IoT and democracy positions Jasmy uniquely in the market. I like that. Why do you invest in Jasmy? Because of IoT and data democracy, it makes it unique in the market. It's not just relevant, but essential in a world of grappling with data breaches and privacy invasions. Its continued partnerships, particularly with Japan, coupled with the launch of innovative projects and development of its fan token, NFTs, Jasmy's resilience and persistence highlight its potential as a good investment. Okay, the team's assurance to achieve significant milestones and the consistent development of a strong and innovative ecosystem can make Jasmy an appealing option for investors. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Is Jasmy Coin a good investment? Jasmy appeals to an investment comes from its strategic positioning, commitment to growth and innovation. Despite the market's volatility, Jasmy has several promising features, including expanding influence of IoT secure and versatile products Jasmy offers to manage private data. The project's ecosystem is still thriving despite some of the challenges it has faced. FamEX sound like they bullish. The Jasmy team's continued commitment to innovation and their resilient work ethos makes it a potential candidate for a good investment. It is advisable to diversify your investments and invest based on your risk appetite and investment strategy. Nice article from FamEX. Again, 120k followers, centralized exchange and news site. Akira88, thank you for the invitation. I'll be attending Token 2049 side event at Gate.io on September 14th. Looking forward to meeting everyone at the venue. So Jasmy will be attending an event that is hosted by Gate.io. Akira88. So the Jasmy team will be attending an event called Token 2049 at a Gate.io event. We already know Gate.io is one of the bigger low tier exchanges. It's not one of the tier ones, but it's one of the bigger lower tier exchanges where a lot of smaller projects get listed on it. Either way, this is great for Jasmy because the team is spreading awareness of the project consistently, and you love to see that, man. This is the 14th of September, which is a few days from now. From Dip Metaverse, I was rereading Jasmy MGT's white paper, screenshotted what I think is very important paragraph with some key takeaways. The Transcommerce partnership with Jasmy is meant to be huge. At least during the first phase of the development roadmap, there will be many PDLs created through this relationship. Transcommerce has many partners, clients, which means there should be a lot of unique data and many users who can use the PDL. More data and PDLs equals more value in the Jasmy ecosystem, more value for Jasmy Coin. The reason why Jasmy focused on the partnership so early, 2018, is because they plan to contact center secure PC and industry standard. It doesn't make sense to make a custom solution for a company with 60,000 employees when your goal is 2 million secure PC users. That's too small. So by figuring out the contact center secure PC with Transcommerce, they can make the necessary changes and sell it to other call center companies, which means even more PDLs and more data. The Jasmy team has been thinking so far ahead. Given the Jasmy chain news, I thought this paragraph could be significant because we are getting one step closer to PDLs being used in more places. So right here we have the first paragraph. In particular, large number of end users will be connected to the platform via contact center solution. We see like with I think we checked out a video where Jasmy was implemented in these call centers from NeoXtrix, right? Our contact center solution is being developed and tested in partnership with the country's largest provider in the field. Amazing. And right here we have Bandai, Canon, Yamaha, Dyson, Panasonic, Levi's, L'Oreal, Casio, Sony, of course, Seiko. The partnerships for Jasmy are so huge, man. I'm telling you guys. Right here, I'm in Singapore today. Jasmy Chain and others are starting to make moves. Thank you again to Metastone for your support this time. Look at this, man. Jasmy. Hara, Jasmy from Japan. The team is out here doing the best, man. Doing the best they can. Like Hara is all over the place. you know, spreading the message of Jasmy, man, and that's what you love to see. A team that's working. And look at who they'll be presenting against. You know, you could see Polygon here and a ton of other companies, and right here we have that Jasmy symbol. Very great to see. Jasmy sitting at 0.034, $168 million in market cap, $18.6 million in 24-hour trade volume. So as you guys can see from the 7-day chart for Jasmy and Bitcoin, their comparison here, Bitcoin is retracing down. It didn't hold that support. The delay in the ETS really made Bitcoin take a hit. So that's why we're seeing the retrace back down for Jasmy. But it's only a matter of time till the markets turn around again, man. They could only delay the ETFs for that long, right? Which is very interesting here from Dinero. Next FOMC meeting is in 9 days. What an important meeting for all of us. High probability that the Fed pauses interest rates, right? The whole reason we got into this huge bear market mess debacle was because of the Fed hiking interest rates to like some crazy levels to reduce inflation. So the next FOMC meeting, we could see that pause, and then the market could turn around once again because of that. Be careful this week, Jasmy fam. Lots of volatility incoming. BTC will probably touch the 23.5K and also will follow after that. Crypto goes up again. So right here, this is image is showing you the probability for a pause in the interest rate hikes, right? 93% of people, analysts predict that is the case, and we have 9 days left for the next FOMC meeting. The markets are highly correlated to the TradFi markets, the stock market. Crypto market is pretty much correlated to it, tied to it, like whatever S&P 500 does and the stock market does, Bitcoin does the same thing, right? But we have so much great news with all of the the ETFs and all of these things. Even if the SEC keeps delaying these ETFs, more and more will be filed, and they will keep filing them. Whenever these ETFs starts getting approved, that will kick off the full bull cycle, guys, and you won't want to miss it. So make sure you dollar cost average, right? Make sure you dollar cost average, invest into smart projects, invest into great altcoins with great utility and active working teams, and also have very active communities, right? I truly believe a project success, one of the main reasons for its success is the community. So when it comes to community, the Jasmy fam, you are out there, right? Like I said, I saw Crypto Gains in a recent video said Jasmy is one of the top 5 projects to buy that is under a penny, right? That is under a penny in its price, because the community is like a cult. The community is super active and based and engaged and crushes it, and that's why one of the top reasons I'm bullish on Jasmy and see success for the project, guys. So Jasmy fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family. Truly appreciate the support from the bottom of my heart, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.